In the automotive industry, every minute counts. Managing interventions, equipment, teams, and customers face a daily challenge. Without the right tools, delays, inefficiency, and high operational costs quickly follow. That's where digital transformation begins. 𝐻𝐢𝐠𝐢𝐿 and Odoo help you take control with our 6 key solutions. Start by ensuring precision with planning and quotation to schedule and assign tasks effectively. Then, focus on building strong partnerships using client and supplier relations. Monitor your bottom line with service costs and budgeting for real-time profitability tracking. And secure your inventory via parts and equipment management, so no component is ever lost. Coordinate orders, deliveries, and returns of parts and vehicles between your sites and partners with logistics of equipment and vehicles. Ultimately, all these functions converge into accounting and reporting to give you a clear, global perspective on performance. Our 6 integrated Odoo solutions cover every aspect of your operations for total performance visibility. The results speak for themselves: up to plus 25% productivity, minus 30% intervention delays, 1 point to higher profitability, and a 15% boost in customer satisfaction. 𝐻𝐢𝐠𝐢𝐿 combines industry expertise with tailored Odoo integration to help you drive efficiency, performance, and growth.